Welcome to Smart Buys. Discover a curated selection of smart, practical home essentials from climate control and cleaning tools to charging stations, travel gadgets, and multifunctional furniture, each designed to enhance comfort, organization, and everyday convenience throughout your living space. All products links in the description section below. Slip into a smoother gaming flow with a headset that feels built for real-life moments, whether you're grinding through ranked matches or unwinding after a long day. Its crisp audio and noise-canceling comfort make it easy to stay locked in, no matter what's happening around you. And with flexible connectivity, it fits effortlessly into your setup without slowing your vibe. If you've been thinking about upgrading your experience, this might be the perfect nudge. At $224.92, it's ready to elevate your sound every single session. Start your day with a little ritual that feels both calming and intentional, whether you're brewing delicate green tea, crafting a bold pour-over, or prepping hot water for quick meals. This kettle's precise temperature control and built-in infuser make it easy to enjoy flavors exactly the way you like them. The glass design adds a touch of elegance to your countertop, turning simple moments into small comforts. If you've been wanting a more mindful brewing routine, this makes it effortless. At $89.99, it's ready to enhance your daily tea experience beautifully. Transform your space into a calming little escape where soft lights, gentle colors, and soothing sounds help you unwind after a long day. Whether you're setting the mood for sleep, adding ambience to a movie night, or giving kids a magical bedtime routine, this projector brings a relaxing glow that fits effortlessly into any room. With its white noise, Bluetooth speaker, and easy controls, it turns ordinary evenings into peaceful moments you'll look forward to. If you've wanted a cozy upgrade, this is such an easy switch. At $31.99, it's ready to elevate your nights with calming wonder. There's something instantly soothing about adding a gentle mist and soft ambient light to your space, especially on nights when you just want to unwind and breathe easier. This cloud-style humidifier blends calming rain sounds with customizable LED lighting, making your bedroom feel like a cozy retreat. Whether you're easing dry air, diffusing essential oils, or creating a peaceful sleep environment, it fits seamlessly into your routine without any fuss. If you've been wanting a little extra comfort in your room, this simple upgrade makes a big difference. At $44.99, it's ready to enrich your nights with calming moisture. Sometimes it's the small upgrades that make everyday moments feel easier, like keeping your drinks cleaner, fresher, and spill-free, whether you're at home or out enjoying the sun. These colorful can lids with silicone straws slip on effortlessly, giving you a simple way to avoid bugs, leaks, and wasted drinks. They're lightweight, reusable, and perfect for picnics, road trips, beach days, or just keeping an unfinished can in the fridge without losing fizz. If you've been wanting a tidy, practical fix for canned drinks, this little set delivers. At $14.99, it's ready to streamline your sipping with simple convenience. Keeping your kitchen calm and clutter-free is so much easier when everything finally has its own place. This adjustable pod rack helps you streamline your cabinets by neatly separating pots, pans, and lids so you're not digging around every time you cook. Its sturdy, anti-rust build and flexible dividers make it simple to customize for your cookware, whether you're organizing a small cabinet or expanding to fit larger pieces. If you've been craving a cleaner, more functional kitchen setup, this organizer brings instant order. At $23.99, it's ready to simplify your cabinets with effortless organization. Bring a spark of adventure to playtime with light-up sabers that turn any room, yard, or party into a mini galaxy battle zone. Kids love how the colors shift with every swing, and the sound effects make their imaginative missions feel even more real. Whether it's for costumes, themed parties, or just burning off energy on a fun afternoon, these extendable swords are lightweight, safe, and exciting for all ages. If you've been searching for an easy way to add playful magic to their day, this set delivers. At $18.97, it's ready to light up your kids' next epic adventure. Creating a peaceful corner in your home becomes effortless with this clever incense holder that keeps ash neatly contained while adding a warm, wooden decorative touch. The upgraded clip holds different incense sizes securely, and the glass catcher lets the smoke rise beautifully, perfect for meditation, yoga sessions, or simply unwinding after a long day. It's a relaxing little ritual that instantly changes the mood of any room, from your workspace to a cozy reading nook. Research: if you enjoy calm, clean aromatherapy moments, this design makes it even easier. At $9.95, it's crafted to enhance your space with soothing serenity. Keeping your favorite jewelry neatly arranged becomes effortless with this compact rotating organizer that fits beautifully on a vanity, dresser, or travel bag. Each layer swings open smoothly, making it easy to grab the earrings, rings, or bracelets you wear most without digging through clutter. The soft interior protects delicate pieces, while the dust-shielding lid keeps everything looking fresh and shiny. Whether you're simplifying your morning routine or creating a tidy little beauty corner, this organizer adds both charm and convenience. At $11.99, it's the perfect way to organize your jewelry with simple elegance. Keeping your floors clean feels so much easier when your tools actually work with you. This upright broom and dustpan set is perfect for quick kitchen crumbs, daily living room touch-ups, or tackling those corners that always collect dust. The extendable handle lets you sweep comfortably without bending, and the self-cleaning dustpan teeth make tidying up hair and debris surprisingly satisfying. It stores upright in tight spaces, so it's always within reach when life gets messy. At $21.65, this simple upgrade truly streamlines your everyday home cleaning routine. Staying organized, active, and connected feels effortless with this stylish 1.8-inch smartwatch designed just for women. It lets you answer calls, check notifications, and even use Alexa hands-free while keeping track of your heart rate, sleep, stress levels, and daily fitness goals. With 100+ sports modes, customizable watch faces, and waterproof protection, it adapts perfectly to workouts, busy schedules, or everyday wear. A full charge lasts up to a week, making it ideal for life on the go. At $54.59, it brings powerful convenience to your everyday digital routine. Cooking feels smoother and more enjoyable when you have tools that simplify each step, and this 2-in-1 olive oil dispenser does exactly that. With its dual spray and pour design, it adapts effortlessly whether you're misting veggies for the air fryer, dressing salads, or adding just the right amount of oil to a sizzling pan. The clear, sturdy glass makes it easy to monitor levels, while the wide opening keeps refills quick and clean. It's a small upgrade that subtly encourages healthier, more controlled cooking habits daily. At $16.99, it adds smart convenience to your everyday kitchen routine. Staying organized becomes surprisingly effortless when you have a label maker that works as quickly as your ideas do. This compact Bluetooth model prints crisp labels for everything: business stock, cables, pantry jars, office bins, even school supplies, without ink or complicated setup. The app's templates, icons, and OCR text recognition make customizing labels feel fun and intuitive, whether you're tidying a workspace or refreshing your home storage. It's the kind of small tool that brings big clarity to daily routines. At $51.99, it helps streamline tasks with simple, satisfying everyday efficiency. Keeping your space tidy and hygienic feels smoother when little conveniences do the work for you, and this smart toothpick dispenser fits right into that rhythm. It delivers a single, clean toothpick with each tap, no fumbling, no touching extras, making it perfect for kitchens, offices, guest areas, or even small coffee stations. With USB or battery power, it's easy to place anywhere, and the included tongs make refilling surprisingly satisfying. It's a thoughtful touch that subtly elevates everyday cleanliness. At $29.95, it adds effortless hygiene to your daily living routine. Creating a comfortable home doesn't have to be complicated, and this portable air conditioner makes it surprisingly effortless. Whether you're working, relaxing, or trying to sleep through warm nights, it delivers cooling, heating, and dehumidifying power in one easy-to-roll unit. The simple controls and remote let you adjust everything without getting up, and its quiet performance keeps your space feeling calm. Perfect for bedrooms, offices, or small apartments, it's a year-round comfort upgrade that fits right into everyday life. At $339.90, it brings steady comfort into your space every single day. Refreshing your daily routine can be as simple as adding small comforts that make a big difference, like a foot scrubber mat that turns every shower into a mini spa moment. It gently exfoliates, massages tired feet, and helps you unwind without bending or straining, making it perfect for busy mornings or soothing evenings. The non-slip suction cups keep everything steady, and the larger size gives your feet room to relax. It's an easy upgrade that fits effortlessly into any bathroom. At $13.98, you'll feel the difference in every soothing step you take. Keeping your workspace or living area organized feels so much easier when everything has a place, and a charging station like this makes a big difference. With room for all your devices, it helps you power up laptops, phones, earbuds, and more without clutter creeping in. The tall, compact design fits neatly on desks, nightstands, or dorm shelves, and the built-in safety features give you peace of mind while everything charges at once. It's the kind of upgrade you don't realize you needed until you try it. At $27.98, it keeps your devices powered and your spaces tidy daily. Keeping your bathroom fresh and easy to maintain starts with tools that actually simplify the job, and this compact Cellular toilet brush does exactly that. Its flexible silicone bristles reach under the rim and into tight corners without scratching, while the ventilated holder keeps things dry and odor-free. Hair doesn't tangle on the bristles, making rinsing quick and hassle-free. Its slim design fits perfectly beside the toilet, keeping your space neat and organized. A small upgrade that makes cleaning feel smoother. At $8.99, it keeps your bathroom spotless with less effort every time. Whether you're traveling, working late, or just want hot water without waiting on a full-size kettle, this compact Secair portable electric kettle fits seamlessly into your routine. Its stainless steel interior keeps every sip clean, while the leak-proof design means you can toss it in your bag with confidence. With 4 temperature presets, it's perfect for tea lovers, coffee drinkers, or anyone who enjoys warm drinks on the go. It heats fast, stays warm, and feels incredibly convenient, like a tiny luxury you'll use constantly. At $29.99, it upgrades your daily sipping wherever life takes you next. Blending entertainment and everyday comfort, this Sobro coffee table transforms your living room into a smart, stylish hub. The built-in fridge keeps drinks chilled, while Bluetooth speakers, LED lighting, and handy outlets make relaxing or hosting feel effortless. Its tempered glass top with touch controls adds a sleek, modern vibe, giving you easy access to all its features. With extra drawers for remotes and gadgets, it brings order and convenience to your space, making it a standout centerpiece for modern homes and busy lifestyles. At $1,299.99, it elevates your home in a surprisingly seamless way. Thank you for joining us. Subscribe for more great home, kitchen, and smart gadgets finds. Give this video thumbs up and share your thought in the comments section below.